So I wanted to talk to you about the can. This can. I bought this Monster Energy drink um, because the can is golden. And I just like the can. So then I bought this drink. I've been thinking about it all day. Thinking about it since yesterday. And I bought the drink, but actually I bought the thing experience advertised by the can. It happens to be a good drink, but it wouldn't really matter if it was a good drink. You're purchasing an idea. The reason I'm making this into a video is that you need to understand that somehow the thing that makes the money is the can. It is not the liquid inside. Because if you bought like just a pool of the raw liquid or the lake and it's not an experience anymore. The packaging is a very big part of the experience, you know? The unboxing experience of the first iPhone as it was spinning on a glass rotating. I read about it somewhere. I wasn't actually there. But you know, I heard you had to walk up some glass stairs, you know, like it's actually presentation that you are purchasing, yeah? The experience. So keep this in mind in your career, be it photography or whatever. Somehow the can is what you're working on more than what's inside. I bet there's like better tasting energy drinks out there, but I didn't buy any of them, did I?